Ever downloaded a new app only to find it playing hide and seek on your phone? Let's kick things off with the simplest solution. A classic reboot. Press and hold the power button. Then tap restart. A quick restart often resolves minor glitches that can cause apps to disappear. If restarting didn't do the trick, let's check your app drawer. Swipe up from the bottom of your home screen to open it. If the app is here, it means it's installed, just not on your home screen. To add it, simply tap and hold the app icon, then drag it to your desired location on the home screen. Release your finger, and boom, the app should be right where you want it. Still no luck? Dive into your phone settings, tap the Settings app icon. Use the search bar at the top and type home screen, then tap the home screen settings option in the results. Look for an option like Reset Home Screen Layout, Reset Layout, or something similar. Tap this. This will revert your home screen to its default arrangement, which might bring back your missing app. Be aware this will likely remove any custom folders or arrangements you had previously. One last thing to check. Some launchers allow you to hide apps. Go back to the home screen settings and look for an option that says Hide Apps. If you see the app listed, then tap it to unhide it. And that's it. With these steps, your missing app should be back where it belongs, ready for you to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips.